everybody, it's Paul from AM/PM Tree. Well, here it's Sunday morning. I'm in Norwich. It's I don't know, February something. So this is today's project. I started yesterday. It was kind of late. It was kind of windy, so I just trimmed up all of these branches all the way up as high as my bucket could go. Both these trees, I trimmed some over here. I knocked down this one right here. So today, when I called one of my guys to come in, I don't know if he's going to show up or not, but I wanted to try something by myself. So normally the porta wrap is down here, right? But I'm thinking, why don't I just put the porta wrap up here somewhere, put the pulley up here, knock down that top, and then lower this crap down myself. What do I need a ground guy for? Today anyways. But so yeah, that's the plan. So we'll see what's happening. What's going to happening. All right.